Hi everyone, welcome to Everywhere channel.
Please like, subscribe, and press the bell button. Thank you.
Hi everyone, welcome to Every channel. Today's lesson we are going to discuss about VLOOKUP function. Very important function in Excel, very useful function in Excel, right? Okay. Before explaining the program, I already give you the VLOOKUP syntax. Okay. That VLOOKUP syntax I will explain you with the example. Okay. I have already created a table with employee details. From this employee details table, you can find employee ID, first name, last name, age, and gender. Right? Okay. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. So if you want to look something in vertically, we are using this VLOOKUP function. Right? Right. What is the purpose of VLOOKUP is if you have a, for example, if I have a table from this set of records, I want to find some set of records, right? With using a particular unique ID, unique thing, right? Any primary key, something like that, right? So how I can do is what happening is actually if I give my employee ID here, right? I can get my first name, last name, and age. This look like a magic table, right? For example, if I change again to my employee ID to different employee ID in my table, it will give you the entire record. So my employee ID is 110608. His first name is John, last name is Doy, age is 20, right? Okay. So we'll do here. Okay, if you see my table, you will say, okay, this is not a big task, no? So you want to find only 5 records. You have only 13 records with table. You just one by one copy paste. Yeah, you can do it. You just take this. Okay. So what you should do is my second one is I want to find 3572711. No, I copy here. If I paste here, what will happen? It will paste there. Yes, perfectly fine. All right. But problem is here is fine, right? Just assume you have 1,000 records, right? From these 1,000 records, you want to find 5 IDs with different places. Can you find it? Right? No, you can't find it. Then you should go for a different option. To do this only, we are using this VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP, vertical lookup. VLOOKUP. If I press the tab, yes. Now check the syntax carefully. First condition is lookup value. Lookup value sends from which ID, which thing we are using to get the our output, right? That is our lookup value, right? Here I am using my employee ID as a lookup value. My employee ID is lookup value. If I lookup value says what? If I give something, I should get my output. If I give my lookup value, I should get the my output. Here my lookup value is employee ID. So I select my employee ID. First is correct. Okay. So my first point is correct, comma, right? Second condition is table array. Table array sense from where I can find this first name. Okay. From where I should find my first name? I should find from my entire table. Then I should select my entire table. Okay. Comma. My third condition is column index. Column index means where is that first name is located. If you check here, A, B, C, D, E, right? So my column index should be B, but in VLOOKUP, we are not giving in alphabet, we should give in numbers. That means this is first, this is second. So I should type here 2, comma. My final condition is it you need approximate match or exact match? I want exact match. So what I should do is I give false. Or else if I want to give false, otherwise I can type here 0. 0 is exact match, 1 is approximate match. I type 0, if I close the bracket, if I enter there, yes, I can find 110608. His first name is John. Okay, I found his first name successfully. Now I want to find his last name. Okay, what I can do is I just select first name. I can and apply this formula to last name. If you check here, it look fine, right? Okay, but I will check the syntax is correct or not. What I will do is I will double click there. Oh, there's a problem. What happened? If I go to my last name, what's happened is my table moving now. My table moved to one column. Not only that, carefully look here. My lookup value also moved. My lookup value should be G7. Now it's staying H7. So my lookup value is also moving and my table also moved, right? Okay. So it should not move, no? Then what I should do is, before copy my formula to last name, right? What I should do is, I should lock both places. One is my lookup value. How I can lock? Just select my lookup value and press keyboard F4. Now it's locked. And also, I should lock my table also. This is my table range. I select the table range and if I press F4, now my table is also locked. If I enter there, yes. Now, if I apply to last name, that is fine. But there's one more thing I should do. What is that? Here I find John as a first name. His column index is 2, second column. But my last, if I want to find my last name, what I should do? I should change my column index to 3, third position. If I enter there, yes, fine. I found John's last name also. If I want to find the age also, same formula I can apply, but I should do only one change. I should change 3 to 4 because my age column is on fourth column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So age is on fourth column. Right? Okay. Now I found Jones record. Right. Now I want to find others. If I give these IDs, I want to get first name, last name, and age. Right. Okay. What I will do is I just select all and I copy to others also. Oh, what happened? I am not getting the correct answer. Right. It's copying only, but I'm not getting my correct answer. So what happened actually? If you check again my formula, that first one is fine, right? Okay. Here, that's also fine. It's correcting entire table. Lookup value is also fine. Fine. Okay. If I check here, it's also fine. Right. Now, I copy this entire formula to second row. Now I will check. If I check formula now, oh, there's a problem. Actually, what happened is, what I did, I locked my lookup value, Now that is locked. That's why it's always taking lookup value is first employee ID. No, it's not like that, no. If I want to get second record, I should take use as my lookup value as second ID, not first ID, no. Right. Now what happened actually, I locked there. Now every rows it's taking first ID only. That's why this record is coming same. So avoid that, what I can do is I should go to this first name and double click and I should remove this lock. Just select my lookup value and if I press F4 3 times, then my lookup value will be unlocked. Same thing I should do to here also. Again, I select my lookup value. If I press 2, 3 times, my lookup lock will be unlocked. Same here, right? I should remove my lookup values lock. If I press F4 two, 3 times, my lock will be unlocked. Now if everything is perfect, I select entire record. If I drag to others, it will work perfectly. Okay, right? So when you are giving the lookup, you should carefully do it. So when you get the one record, if you're going to copy to other column, then you should lock this, right? You should lock both places. You should lock lookup value and table. And after that, you should change the column index, right? Then if you want to give this lookup value to vertically, before giving the others, you should unlock the lookup value. Then only it will work. All right. Okay. Now I find using employee ID, I got first name, last name, and age. Okay. If I want to get gender also, it's also easy. So what I should do is I will enter one more column, right? I will insert one more column and I will put this as gender, right? Then if I want, I can copy this formula to here. But I am not getting answer. It's showing non-applicable. Okay. So what happened is, if I double click there, table is fine, but my lookup value is moved. Okay. So what I should do before copying, giving to others, what I should do from this age, I should lock my lookup value. If I press F4, my lookup value is locked now. Now, if I give this to gender, it will copy there. But only thing is what I should do. Gender, where is that located? It should be on 5th column, right? Then I should change 4 to 5. If I enter there, yes, I can get the answer. If I drag to vertically, but same problem. So what I should do? Again now, it's always taking my lookup value as first employee ID. Then I should unlock this lookup value. Press F4 3 times. And if I enter, it's unlocked. Now I can copy to others as well. Right? Okay. So this kind of VLOOKUP we are using in a in real life also. If you went to supermarket, right, you can find this kind of scenario when you are they are when you want to get a when you want to buy something, so they will make a invoice, right? So they have a cart with item details, right? From this cart, if they only what they will do, they will give the product ID. If you give the product ID, you will get item description and price. Just enter the quantity, it will come the total and they will get the total. So we are using this VLOOKUP in the real time in this food cities and online shops. So when you enter your item number, you will get all the details, no? So this kind of real time scenarios also there. So that's why I make a small example again. This is Cargill Food City item details. For example, if I change here to product name is just 09 or 01. If I enter there, I can get item name is chicken, item description, and item price. What I should do is I need how many quantities. Okay, if I need 2 quantities, if I enter there, I will get the total. The total also will be changed because here I am using a formula, multiplication formula. I am multiplying by price into quantity, and finally I am giving some function here, right? So here also they are used VLOOKUP function. So in real time, you are using in Food City and online shoppings, this VLOOKUP is using there. Okay. I hope you understood this lesson very well. So if you have any doubts, please comment me on my YouTube channel. So if you want to get clear idea about VLOOKUP, you should always think about this syntax. So how is that syntax? VLOOKUP. First, you should go for the lookup value. That lookup value. After that, you should select the table. Then you should go for the column index and range. Right? Okay. So thanks for watching my video. We'll see you on the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thanks for watching my video. See you on next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.